It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. Come on. Bring them out, bring them out. Hey. Bring them out, bring them out. Bring them out, bring them out. Hey. Bring them out, bring them out.
Yes. So last week, I picked him randomly and I won. So maybe today he might be on my team, maybe he might not.
Right.
But for those who don't, I think it's right they get to know them, right? Okay, so since you were here last week, tell us your name, the hood you represent, and a little bit about you.
Okay, my name is Casmel, Casmel, representing Agnosio. You know how we do it.
Right.
Nice one. And today, my man.
Yo, I'm Pendee, Pendee, representing Techiman PA.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Energy.
Far from home.
Far from home.
Energy. Versky, what you looking for, man?
I mean, Casmel already knows the rules. I mean, no swear words. Please, we're back. Made in the house, man. For style, you're rappers, so punchlines, creativity, wordplay. I mean, let's get creative here today. And I beg you, it'll be friendly battle. We are really going in for violence, not violence.
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 So obviously we have 3 rounds,
Yeah.
like we do every single week.
So the first round is basically getting yourself acquainted with the beats, right?
Yeah,
and
testing
then
the
the stage
waters.
and everything. And then second round, you get to know that, okay, this is business. So you can come for each other. That's what rap is about. Am I right? Yeah. So come for each other. Let us feel the bars, the punchlines. For born on the end to say, ouch, you know?
Yabble up. Yeah.
Say a punch into a punch, you know. And then the final round, Jason, you want to take that?
Yeah, the final round, she gives a random word. Last week was camp, right? And they had to rhyme with it, and he killed it. The Burma camp line. He killed it. So today she's also going to give a very random word, you know. I don't know where she gets the word, though. I don't know where she gets the words. But I think it's time to take it away, Versky.
All right, so round 1.
Yeah, man.
We
I mean, you guys have to pick.
Oh, yeah, we have to pick.
Right.
I was going with my winner.
Can you just take your hands off of him already?
Energy, so that's...
Because we don't know who... Oh, okay. They are together. Let me get them out.
Yeah.
Like that.
Hey.
Okay.
Let's see. So who's number 1? Who's number 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so we gotta switch it up. Okay.
Thank you.
I mean,
put them back.
I'm sorry, but you know.
All right.
Pendee, all the best.
So hop straight to the middle and Russ, who's going first?
Round 1, Casmel. Let's do this.
Round 1.
Yeah, we live in times, love is more okay, yeah, no, Yanko, yeah, Bronson doors, so your doors won't with the mic upon your dinner and American rappers now does more. Oh, what? 1, 2, we're doing this right now, Casmel. Talk to them. Lepete bass gum tawa e fili bombo de febi di juma. Strong bass punchline flow tight mad and kita poma. You play with West net you walk one pado ba ye to me muna. Yeah, and tight for them to feel marvelous if say aladupa keep it to me.
Go.
Yeah. Yo.
But he kept coming back.
All right. So
he kept coming.
Are you ready?
Yo, always, bro.
All right, let's do this right now.
For the team, man. For the team.
Yo, what's good? What's poppin'? It's still your boy Pendee, and it's still contained at the area.
1, 2.
Techiman, what's up? You know.
Talk to them.
Yo, yeah. 10 at the volume, it's our favorite rapper. Say Pendee is back again. No, yeah, bear man, no one casa. Me de me hotel, yeah. Homie been undercover. I left the hood, Kakasu, I'm back like no other. Grab bad, the band to be my rival. When you who here, I'm just don't wanna be idle. Don't call yourself a king when you still a disciple. Homie, you're bad rappers, you are lost in the cycle. Upe bifa, my mind day. My killing 32 rappers on the same day. Most wanted rapper, checking me crime rate. Mini adaje, my saying Golo Kante. My ready coming through with a chainsaw. making sure say you get what you came for. Main care moko bear competition. I'm on a mission. Won't see a party Jace. The game is on, yeah. Still your boy Pendee.
We had Kante in our rap.
That was just
We had
round
Kante
one.
in our rap. What should we do again?
Okay.
Kante, Champions
Casmel,
League winner.
Please.
I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened to Casmel, right? Let's do this right now. Round
You're coming
two.
back better.
Casmel,
Round two.
harder. Let's go.
Pendee, you're starting this one. Round 2. Are you ready?
Always ready, bro.
Round 2.
Yeah. See your boy Pendee. Skating at the area. My homie Jesse. Yo, might be close, time and punch it hard. We get swayed, me float near quench it fire. Got me team me, I'm 45. Someone kaya, more best rapper. Me chini set tire. TN, they call me Ali Do. We need your be now, I'm Bob please they call me attitude. Kiss Columbus, me rapper pass, please just show me magnitude. I the rap lady, Caligo, please just show me gratitude. Please just show me gratitude. I be you well, I miss it for crazy. Ever blazing, tasting, now go degrade you. Ever blazing, man, no trouble, so I'm busy. Yeah, chapel, I'm big. Yeah, come off me, just beside me fast and wasting history. Making team with penitence, so I'm wasting. Tell, they call me Ali Do. We need your be now, I'm Bob please just show me attitude. Kiss Columbus, we rock compass, please just show me magnitude. I the rap lady, Caligo, please just show me gratitude. Please just show me gratitude, yo. Yo. Choo.
Okay. But we're
Like,
taking
you know why we
this.
went black today, Broski? Because we're killing it.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's a funeral.
Just wait for
Casmel,
it.
ready? Let's go.
Ready. Yeah. Say. No. Yo. Say. Yeah, style of sound and all look on, no whatever drop is something. On the beat, to a table, I'm a Rebecca margin. To my fans, me check him why, Moya road that prompting. Someone come watch by now, was shook as be no let them. Mamily can Mamily can one community. No matter the top of child and a man a gap, no from pay. Okay, I will hear from Casmel, all about one funny say, also all your gala. Run on to him now, all my me pray. No matter when you are the giant pody, oh, who be that? Mama, I found when the team there, new beacon, it's over train, very hard to murder, and I swear see that. Feel I be legend, in my always. To one friend me see that. That's my baby, all the ladies that be how they call me. I say you steady, man from me be now and your lady. Me drop it daily, me your graphic, me saw me get 30. Into share me steady, I am pass a try a bit faily. Me get Madrid, but my fans they know say I be real. Cause I see them fake niggas no be milk, but I do. With them in a million ways and that they make I feel. Meaning they age lie on your birthday and I'll see you for chill. No.
You know what he said?
Oh, you
He
heard
said,
him?
Madrid, but my fans know say me real. That's what he said, right?
Oh, Nayan can't show. Best
See,
rapper in the game.
Charlie.
But a new birthday, but you for chill.
Yeah.
For chill.
That's a bar, you know.
Bars.
Okay.
Bars. But we still had Kante in there. Champions League winner.
Okay, for real.
Yes. We're taking this. You're taking it. You're taking
So what's the word?
You've come to take my
Cool.
rapper. Now you're going to take my
I didn't take your rapper. You don't have a
You're taking my
rapper.
rapper.
Please
I'm taking my
hold
title
on.
too.
You are here right now.
Okay, now it's
Okay,
time for
so a
the
word.
Yeah, the word.
Play.
Play. So now the thing is, it has to rhyme with play or be centered around the word play. So it can be anything,
are
right?
basic
I mean, you've
words.
already spoken about Chelsea and Real Madrid, so I'm sure you guys can go in. But
Yeah.
let's go.
Final round.
Yo. Mel. Yo. You know be hard, bro. We just dey play. From a cheche kule. Mashumi kuje. We drop a bass. Obian kemu hey. Yeah, we feel it style no. We feel it dope flow. We feel it rap no. Okay, we go slow. So they may drop a bass. I also jolly look though. Yeah, Mashumi put low. I dey lie, nothing dey on me. Got the talk say we for done play on me. Yeah, on the field, make it play on me. I get the heart, get the fault, dally all on me. Mel.
Young control.
Okay.
Young control.
Are you ready, Pendee? Let's do
always
this
ready,
right
bro.
now.
Yeah. Still your boy Pendee. Skating at the area. Bema, funny slow. I'm not here to play. We've been hungry for days. Super Bisa Gel A. Yo, see your boy. We didn't come to play. We been hungry. Bisa Gel A. Alright, yeah. We flow na A. We taking his beat. Oh, Jason. Yo. Hey, fans come hey. The files coming here. I've been on for days. The man I met that beside jelly. We didn't come here to play, yo.
Rusty, some songs have just melody. Let me just say, some songs have
Why
melody.
you just
But did you hear
You understand?
Did you hear us say
Why
yeah,
you
you
did-
know?
why you
That's why we
Make
have
us
hymns.
play.
That's why we
But
have
I said
hymns.
Cheche Kule.
Some hymns are.
Yashi Ekuje. Did you hear that one?
Oh, see, you be play with Jason L.A. Yeah, so anyways, these guys are awesome, man. All jokes aside, these guys are really good rappers, and we're having fun, but we're really letting them express
Yeah,
themselves and their talent.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
DJ Vrosky, this part of the job, I don't want it. It's all yours. Who's your winner for today, man?
Are you talking to me?
Whenever he's silent, there's a problem.
Well, there actually is a problem today because I mean, Casmel didn't start well, but he picked up. I like Pendee's first round. The second round, it was okay.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know if he was getting too comfortable. I mean, the third round, I mean, I liked what. You know, you put it watching a judgment day.
Yeah.
I liked what Casmel did with
Yeah.
the freestyle.
Yeah.
I mean, Pendee also came in harder. And I don't know who the winner is. I
Should we
mean,
give them one more round?
I feel that would be fair. 'cause
This
I
one,
mean,
another freestyle.
yeah, I mean,
Okay. So, Rusky, who you want to go
Please do me
first?
proud.
I mean, let's just choose.
Okay, I'm too sure. This is Kante. We they go, Charlie.
You
Yeah,
know,
we they talk for okay, now we make ready. Now we make
Yeah,
ready.
Jason is all up in our faces and all. They can't do focus.
Now we make ready. We make ready.
Shine, shine, shine.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah, man.
Right.
Are you guys sure you're ready?
Very.
Yeah, please
Oh,
send us
wait.
messages on social media, of course. MX24GH everywhere. Add the hashtag MXBEATZ. Be a part of the conversation. You know, myself, before and DJ Vrosky, we're having all this is in good fun and giving these guys the space to do their thing. Let's go.
Right about now.
Pendee, let's do this right now.
Alright. Yeah. Still your boy Pendee. Scantain at the area. Yo. This flow is certified in heaven. Last year, me killing rappers by year 47. Killing fake rappers with my God-given talent. In apart from me, any rapper be 47, yeah. This flow is certified in heaven. Last year, me killing rappers by year 47. Killing fake rappers with my God-given talent. In apart from me, any rapper be 47, yo. Still your boy Pendee. Scantain at the area. Used to be arrogant, now I'm very sober. I feel connected to God, now I'm getting closer. When I feel real can't scan it, but it's over. Believe in what he's trying to say, baby bola. Yo.
The rate at which Pendee is going, in a couple of years, we won't have any rappers in Ghana. He keeps killing them. Why?
He's already killed 47.
Why?
All right,
Let's go 32.
Now he
The
has
first
killed
one was
47.
32. 47. See, I'm a rapper, but you will calm down. You look good. Make it happen.
All right, are you ready?
Take it away, man.
1, 2.
Yeah. Yeah. My name is Casmel, I know you know, but I'm making sure that you never forget. Missy Mami Jala me, you share them, you are beating the back of the I know the pet. Taking it slowly, this will be hard. The same speedy that you man as go just screaming aloud, they show me the love, they go like, man, you are the best. For bars, now come, so compare me to other rappers, a difference room. Rush out for Likum, cause I heard them, I could joke up with them, boom, boom. When I not see the beat in your heart, don't remember, man, I'm in body tube. Digging them deep down on the floor, losing your mananka, we're body tube. It's bass down, feeling hard now, nigga can't stand, making them less. Hip hop sound, get your ass down, showing you how I be doing like that. I be just showing them how the nigga be wondering, I'm from the dead. Give me love, these bars was done under 5 minutes, so don't make a vex. No.
Hey.
Abutu. Abutu. All right.
Now, small play with the player, and I heard that thing they go there from
It be
killing rappers
personal.
to
It be
make it
personal.
make a vex and things. What's happening?
All right.
Rusky.
All right. I mean.
Rusky, first of all,
Yeah.
me and you went to Legon.
It doesn't matter.
So when they judge you for
Pendee, this is your boss won't bribe me.
some things before.
No, like, before hear what they talk first. No, you know, be getting very I go feel no.
No, but why you the judge now? Because I hear what you
I know
talk.
the
It's like
judge.
it's now
we
shaky
hear,
small.
Oh, okay, sure.
We
Apologize.
hear what he talk. And I'm Rusky, you know
I
here.
they hear a lot of things in the talk. You sure? So you want me to give freestyle? Make it here. You'll give freestyle.
They make you take everything back into freestyle then.
All right, let's do this right now. I mean, I want us to do
On
this.
the
Casmel,
spot.
a cappella. Let's do this.
The same flow.
Yeah.
My name is Casmel, I know you know, but I'm making sure that you never forget. Miss my major line, me share them we are beating the back a day. I know the pet. Taking it slowly. This no be hard. Now say me speedy there. You manage go just screaming aloud. They show me the love. They go like, man, you are the best. 4 bars that hukum. Say compare me to other rappers a difference. Brush out while lukum. Cause I hear them could joke up into me baby boom. Wanna not see the beat in your heart. I'm not measuring man. I'm a body jump. Digging them deep down on the floor. Losing your mananka.
I mean, hold on. I mean, Pendee, this is what you didn't want him to do.
Yeah.
I mean, now people are actually hearing what he's saying. They feel it's doper than what he did.
And that what I did? Okay,
No, I mean not what you did, but I mean what he did.
did.
I mean, you thought first he was just doing better than that. But now we can hear what he's saying now.
Right.
So you want to do yours a cappella
Sure.
too?
Okay,
Let's
I'll
do
see.
this right now.
This flow is certified in heaven. Last year, me killing rappers by year 47. Killing fake rappers be my God-given talent. In apart from me, any rapper be 47. This flow is certified in heaven. Last year, me killing rappers by year 47. Killing fake rappers be my God-given talent. In apart from me, any rapper be 47. Yeah, sure.
All right, so I think both of you are amazing rappers, but for the extra round, I'm gonna give it to Casmel.
He killed it.
He killed it. I
Master
mean,
of the world.
you've been on the show twice, and bro,
Yeah, man.
what's up? You want me to make you host? You want me host of the show or something?
Casmel, man. I want to ask him quickly. Have you always been a rapper? Because it seems like you're so good at what you're doing, man. How did rap begin for you? Very quickly, man.
I don't know. It just happened.
Yeah, because it seems like the words just fall on for you,
Yeah.
right, Charlie? Charlie, we know you're going to do bigger things. Keep doing your thing. And you know, one thing about MX24GH is when we have rappers on the show, rappers like Pendee, like yourself, we go with these rappers to the people. So definitely we're going to give you a call. You're going to be there, Charlie. Big ups to you again, Pendee. Big ups to you. Maybe you two should do a song together.
Yeah, they should. I mean, Pendee, you want to tell people your social media
man.
handles?
Yeah.
Okay, follow me on all social media platforms at Pendee_GH.
Okay.
PENDEE_GH on all social media platforms.
All right.
Saying at the
And we
end.
have any songs coming up soon? Do you want to
Okay,
tell
sure.
them
I
that?
just dropped a freestyle on Oyo Mark. It's titled Money Heist.
Okay.
Yeah, and I also have one already, Yaba, which is making airwaves now.
Okay.
Bless up.
That's nice.
You and the 47 rappers, Maba. The 47 rappers.
He killed all of them.
Kill all of them, so they don't become them. Anyways, guys,
Okay.
please check them out. You enjoyed it, right?
I did. But today there was a moral lesson, and that is never get too comfortable. Jason was all about, I'm always winning. Today,
And the moral lesson, my mom taught me sometimes, just let women win. So because I'm a nice guy, because I'm a nice guy.
It's a lie.
Because I'm a nice
It's
guy.
a lie.
But it's been an awesome segment.
Yeah,
We're
it has
ready for
been.
some more music.
All right. So the winner for today, back to back, Casmel. Charlie, how you feel right now?
I feel
like
okay.
superstar.
I feel okay, yeah, for real.
I think we have to do this. Next week, we have to
expect
bring
this.
someone else to come and battle you again. Do you want to do that? You won't hold the title
I'm down, I'm
to
down.
somebody jail you.
I'm down.
All right, okay. So you have a song out there. Can you introduce the video so we check it out?
I have a song released, I think, like 4 months ago.
Okay.
And it's titled Emotions. It's just some love songs, trying to,
Hard guy how to love songs are.
yeah, trying
Okay.
to tell people like it doesn't matter whatever happens to you in your past relationship, you have to continue giving in again, right? So, yeah.
Because I
that's how
think
it
you're
goes.
working hard to go. Everybody go chop up.
Yeah, good job. Me say, I chop the.
All right, okay, let's check it out.
Okay, so
Brand new
Emotions.
video, Emotions by Casmel. We'll be back after this.
All right.
What you going through?
Say
My name
Nini.
is Casmel. Girl, I know you feeling lonely. You feel so sad just because she left you. Now you say you don't need no man just because she left you. I know you're gonna tell me you need no one. Take off what you went through. Though I know you're feeling broken, you feel so much just because he hurt you. But I know that he gave him everything from the inside. And I'm dreaming who that the guy go they play you fool. You know they really water the drinks and whatever you say, what you do, what you going through, what you going through. You know they really what you going through. I don't know what it is. Baby, you're telling me go there. I can tell you why you go. Hey, say, why you gonna cry for so long? Why you gonna weep like that? Shawty, why you gonna sad for so long? You don't need that man. Whatever you do, you don't miss that day. Everything I say, you don't miss that day, yeah, yeah. Why you gonna cry for so long? So long. You know they really watch what you going through. They give them everything from the inside, and they take you as a fool. But you know they watch what you going through.
Same 98.
Love gon' break you and same love gon' fix you. Love gon' make you think, love gon' make you wish to. Take you for life so you no go fall inside again. Baby, same love you need when you did to. This is real, baby. When I think of all the things that I've been through, so nim dodo na me de na man ko tuntefi. Cause I know that she know they believe it is true. Yeah, if you dead, I'm gonna make you suffer. And I'm an ex-boy, and it's them or your gutter. Into your camera down, or say forget now your casa. Into crazy ye din, na me pedamete ata. Cause when you two are do believe proud physical. No one can count my mental, what's your door. So be no more down, trim come typical. Feed them in your sure day, fiam pony more door. Love is something, no love is nothing. Ask her what be love, she go tell you one thing. Pain, cause they're all listening instead of skanking. This be love, that be what she's asking. I can tell you're afraid of being a sober boo. Don't let no man get the power over you. So do boo boo wakuma and yenisu, and don't forget to love again like you're supposed to do. You give him everything from the inside, and I'm getting more than the guy what they play you for. You know they really wet to the drinks, and whatever you say, what you do, what you going through, what you going through. You know they really watch what you going through. What you going through. You know they really watch what you going through. You know they really watch. You know they watch.